Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to find Amazon promo code. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So one of the very best way for you to find Amazon promo code is to basically use Google. So Google is a very powerful tool, so we just need to type in the following. So go ahead and type in the following, which is going to be Amazon coupons, and just press on enter. Now there's going to be a lot of results here that we could use, but the most reliable result here that we could go to is the coupons page for Amazon. So this is directly from their website. So most likely, if they are actually within the Amazon website itself, or if they're actually showcasing this coupon within Amazon, then most likely this coupons would actually work. But there are certain conditions for some coupons to work. Like for example, we have this coupon for the following products. So if you want to buy the product, you could use that specific coupon. Now, another way for you to basically get coupons is via the articles that we see here. Like, for example, we have a page here for Los Angeles Times. So when we open this up, you should be able to see available coupons on their website. As you can see, we have Amazon promo code here, $10 off anything. So if you want to view more about it, just click on show more, and as you can see, this you'll be able to see further details on it. So by the way, there are certain restrictions on it and details on how to use it. So for example, terms and conditions and restrictions may apply on it. So depending on what those restrictions are, you might be able to use this coupon here. Now, another website that I would actually suggest you try using is going to be CouponFollow. So CouponFollow is a way for you to view different coupons. So in their website, you should see a search section here. Just type in Amazon. And from here, it's going to automatically search for Amazon. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you should be able to see available coupons that you could use in Amazon. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.